Here we go. I believe if you're a woman that has a mindset that says that you need multiple streams of income, that there are so many different options and opportunities that you can take advantage of to be able to create the extra cash to help you to be able to fund your business endeavors, or either to be able to create a consistent cash or whatever it is that you are aspiring to do in terms of the goals that you have set out for your life. So if you are looking for a side hustle that has the ability to be able to allow for you to create that extra cash flow and extra income, chance to be able to talk about the best side hustles for women that nobody is talking about. Let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so my first side hustle that I really want to get to you is with a company that is called Landing. And so with Landing, you have the opportunity to become what they call a landing host. This company is like the big brother, big sister, maybe even mom and dad of Airbnb. You will find their properties actually on Airbnb. And so what you have the opportunity to do is to rent this particular short-term rental, or either you can rent their properties out for a couple of days, just like you would do at a hotel. But what's so amazing about Landing is that you feel like you are at home. I mean, they have plates, cups, bed sheets. I mean, anything that you would need to feel like you are at a home away from home, they have it. And I mean, you literally only have to bring your clothes. But back to the point. So Landing gives you the opportunity to be able to become a host, and you can pick up several different side hustles that they have, from being able to clean the landings for the upcoming guests, to meeting and greeting the different guests that come to stay at the landings, from doing installations. And so what's amazing is that you can take on as many different jobs as you would like to, let's say in the course of a day or a week, and literally make up towards $1,000 per week. No lie, no joke. You need to sign up right now, because I'm gonna put a link in the description down below. Number two, this one is just as amazing, and it's with a company that is connected to Walmart. They're doing grocery delivery, and so Walmart thought, hey, we're gonna go ahead and do it too, and create a company called Spark. This particular opportunity, you have the chance to be able to deliver groceries from Walmart to different people that shop for Walmart. Next, I love this opportunity. It is definitely out of the box, and I know you haven't heard about it before, and it's with a company called Backstage. So all my ladies out there that love to be able to connect to entertainment opportunities, if you are all for the casting calls, you want to make sure that you sign up with Backstage. Now, one thing that's amazing about this company is that you have the chance to be able to do auditions, but then there are also brands that are on this platform that are looking for people to work virtually. So let's say there's a particular brand wants you to do a video about a particular product. You don't necessarily have to go to the location or go to the casting call. You can send in a video for your audition and absolutely get the part and then get the coins. So definitely sign up. Next, for those of you that like to create content, this is going to be the side hustle that you absolutely need, especially if you have the niche, or let's say the skill set to create content for other companies, or let's say entrepreneurs. And the truth be told, everybody's running out here in these streets talking about content is queen, no content. What do they say? I think they say content is queen, content is king is what they say. But I'm telling you, content is queen, because she is, okay? And aside from that, you have the chance to be able to create content for different entrepreneurs, or let's say brands, on a platform called Fiverr. It is spelled F-I-V-E-R-R, okay? Get it twisted, okay? Remember that extra R in there, Fiverr. And what you can do is go on this platform and create a profile, and then you can take on as many clients as possible. And one thing that I love about this platform when it comes to getting work is that you don't have a limit to the amount of people that you can work for. You just have to make sure that you can handle the load. So sign up to create content, because it's queen, and you can make all the extra cash that you need, or potentially potentially turn this into a business to whereas you create content for entrepreneurs. You can do all the things. Next, I want to tell you about potentially being a person that has the chance to transcribe videos or podcasts. This is another amazing opportunity that will be from here on out. There are like literally millions of people that have created different kinds of podcasts. And so you can connect to a platform called Upwork, and then you'll have the chance to put your profile up there. And then you really have the opportunity to be able to sell your skill set to the people that are looking for someone to transcribe their videos or podcasts. And so this is something that I do for my business as well. After I do this YouTube video, it is going to be repurposed as a Pinterest pin, which then generates traffic to my website, as well as utilizing the transcript for potentially a podcast and for serving people in this way. This next one, I know you haven't heard of, because I think that people completely miss this one, and that's creating a shop on Etsy. I love Etsy. You can literally find everything on this platform. And when I discovered that, like, I'm an Etsy fiend, like literally, I love Etsy. And so let's say you want to create, I don't know, templates for entrepreneurs. And you can go on this platform, open up a shop, create your templates, and literally sell them on this platform as a side hustle. But this can definitely turn into a full-time business, okay? If you do it right, if you set it up right, it could be absolutely amazing. So please look into opening up an Etsy shop. Next, I know you haven't heard of this one. That is to connect to ACX Audible, to where you have the chance to create the necessary voice audios for different people that are putting out ebooks to be the voice of their audiobooks. This is so brilliant, and it's an opportunity to be able to make some coins. So definitely look it up. Next, what about you becoming a social media manager? Once again, anything online in terms of content is not going away, and people need for people to go ahead and manage their social media, okay? This is the times that we live in. Get with it. And connect to different platforms like Google. They're always offering certifications, and I think some of them are free to become a social media manager so that you know exactly what to do. Or you can Google different courses that teach you how to do this. You can make a whole lot of money, like literally, and obviously create a business where you manage different people's social media, creating their content and all of the things. These next couple of ones that I'm gonna mention, I'm gonna breeze by them pretty fast, but you should think about creating a side hustle or a business as creating an online store through the app Shopify. So whatever your heart desires, and after you do your market research, because we're not just creating businesses, we wanna make sure that there's a need, right? Then you create a Shopify store and really make coins once you have your marketing plan and all the things hooked up in the back end, which is absolutely amazing. Next, how about becoming an ad specialist as a side hustle? So much money, because everybody is looking to run ads for their business. You can take a course, really make sure that you develop the skill set, or if you already have it, and then make this a side hustle that brings you the money, because once again, ads are not going anywhere. Next, one of my favorites, to become an online virtual assistant. Oh my goodness, this is so necessary, especially for entrepreneurs. Please look into it. This next one is super duper amazing, because I think that you can do this in any area. I know you can do it in any area, and that's to become a consultant, or essentially a freelancer. When you are a consultant, you can consult in any area. Like, you can consult to help people learn how to dye their hair black. Like, if you're great at it, people will pay you to teach them how to do it. Let's say you connect to hairstylists, you know, in that particular example. It's not the greatest, but it is an example. And when you're freelancing, then that means that you have the chance to be able to do this whenever you want, for whoever you want in terms of the audience. Also, a course creator. Let's say this is $1 billion industry. Anything that you have a specialty in, anything that you have a skill set in, you can create courses to be able to help people. I don't care what it is. I don't care if you're helping people potty train their kids, or if you're helping people to build businesses like me. You can create courses, teach people the necessary steps to be able to get to that win, to teach them different things, and they will buy your course. The one thing that I love about courses is that they are evergreen and they never go away. One person can buy your course and they have the information from here on out. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about all of the progress that I know that you are going to make with creating the best side hustle possible. The chance to connect to my upcoming membership, which is Dominant Entrepreneurship Society. Those doors will be opening in 2023, and I'm super excited about being connected to you and having the chance to be able to serve you. Beautiful, there's one more thing that I have to let you know, and that is I totally and absolutely believe in you. Do me a favor, hit that big red subscribe button and make sure that you kill these side hustles. I'll see you again here soon, beautiful. Ciao.